In this video, discover 5 fun and easy ways to make your homemaking feel like a breeze. Number 1, turn chores into a game. Create simple challenges like how fast can I fold this laundry or how many dishes can I wash in 5 minutes. When you create games out of chores, it is super duper motivating to get them done because it feels like you're playing a game. Adding a playful element to these tasks can make even the most mundane tasks feel super enjoyable. Not that there's anything wrong with the mundane. In fact, I kind of find it comforting, but that wasn't always the case. When you make things into a game, sometimes it doesn't even feel like you're cleaning. It just feels like you're playing a game. You can help up the ante by setting a timer and even giving yourself a prize if you achieve your goal. As in games, there's often prizes if you win. So this will super incentivize you to get it done. Not only that, it will help to make your homemaking super duper fun. You can also have a homemaking dance party. Let's turn on our favorite playlist and get to it. Sometimes we have been putting off so many things because they feel so overwhelming. But if we add music to the tasks, then they will feel light and fun. And it will feel like the time is super fine because I don't know about you, but whenever I have my favorite jams playing, the time surely goes really fast and I get so much done. If you have an upbeat playlist, you can easily dance your way through your chores. If you don't have one, I have created a super duper upbeat one in the playlist section of my channel. Feel free to use it. It is super duper upbeat and helps to get the job done. Adding music to our daily tasks can not only help it to make it feel more enjoyable, but we can also sneak in some exercise as well. Be sure to set up a small cozy area with all your favorite cleaning supplies and a nice little treat for yourself. Knowing you have a cozy spot to retreat to after the things are done will make the process even more enjoyable because we're looking forward to that relaxing time. It's like dangling a carrot in front of yourself, if you will. If you get the task done, we get to relax in our cozy corner. Assigning a fun theme to each day can also help us to get the tasks done much faster and in a much more fun way. Have things like tidy up Tuesday, wipe down Wednesday, freshen up the sheets Friday to keep things super light and fun. Themes can help to add a bit more fun and structure to your routine. When we have a structure, things tend to get done. But if we're not yet good at creating a structure, having these fun theme days will help us to get there. Create your own list of theme days and apply them throughout the week. You will see what a drastic difference it will make. Lighten up homemaking by recruiting little adventurers. If you're a mom of littles like me, turn tasks into mini adventures for your little ones. You can invent games such as dusting treasure hunts, where you plant things and they can discover while they're dusting, or they can even help you to clean under the couch by planting special surprises down there. Making everyday tasks into a fun adventure will not only make things fun in the meantime, but it will also help to foster children who absolutely love to clean. And if you want even more ways to hack your homemaking, then check out this video here and I'll meet you there right now. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to God be the glory. Bye.